One of the things that'll help you in your realtor appointments is when you do a realtor appointment, it's very easy to go logic instead of relationship. So we do FROG is family, recreation, occupation, goals. And it's easy to say, hey, tell me a little bit about how you got into the business. They start talking, and then it's easy to go logic, which is, hey, are you a buyer's agent or a listing agent? How many people are in your office? Versus, hey, Frank, tell me about the time when you got started. What was the event that got you into the business? Because remember, we're not trying to be better, we're trying to be different. And in being different, where most people are talking about, I got a better rate, I got a better product, I got a better program, I got a better service, I can turn it faster. What we're trying to make is a connection. Princeton Neuroscience Institute now can scientifically prove that when somebody tells you their origin story, any kind of a story that goes one level deeper, neurons in their brain are firing off saying, I like you, I like you, I like you.